folks, I'm in down to Crushburg here, local way event here. We'll see what time it is. So, it is 9:33 a.m. in the morning. We got the CSX q317-07 westbound mixed-way train. They're on the way to the Parkersburg branch subdivision, heading west on Main 1. Let's check it out. Live action. Here we go. All right, let's get this over with. He's on its way. Oh my god. Oh man, it's so miserable. See this q317-07 westbound mainline track 1. Medium clear signal. Handy tower C16 40 out. Oh yeah, thank you. Hi! Woo! Number 40! 542! Wow! Dude, that was nuts! Not gonna want to take off! Ooh, wasn't quite expecting to stop doing that. Goodness! Are you kidding me? Short mixed way train? You're gonna be kidding me, folks! Alright, it's the short mixed way train I have ever seen in my entire life! C6 q317-07 westbound mainline track 1, medium clear signal on the J Tower. C16 40 out. Woo! That's pretty cool, man. There you go, folks. There you have it there, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, give a thumbs up, like this, comment down below, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.